All right, let's talk about Mogotes Metals, trading under MOG on the Toronto Stock Exchange and MOGMF on the OTC. The company is gearing up to start drilling at its Filo Sur project in Argentina, and this one's in a prime location. The project sits about 2.5 kilometers south of Lundin and BHP's massive Filo del Sol deposit, one of the biggest copper, gold, and silver discoveries in the world. That's a great neighborhood for any explorer to be in. They're kicking off a 5,000-meter drill program using up to 2 rigs. The first holes will target Cruz del Sur and Stockwork Hills, lower elevation areas that already returned encouraging trench samples showing both gold and copper. The drill crews are mobilizing now, and results should start rolling in through October. Before putting the drills in the ground, Mogotes spent several field seasons collecting data. They ran three-dimensional geophysical surveys. Think of it like an underground X-ray to look for conductive zones that could host mineralization. Those models highlighted large, consistent anomalies that line up perfectly with what their surface rock samples were already showing. From that work, 4 key targets emerge. Los Mogotes looks like a textbook copper porphyry system, broad in scale with a strong anomaly just a few hundred meters below surface. Meseta shows quartz-rich breccia rock and surface samples containing gold and silver, which can often signal a stronger deposit deeper down. Cuenca sits above a dome-shaped body with thin layers of gold-silver veins at surface. And then there are Cruz del Sur and Stockwork Hills, where trenching already showed gold and copper alongside strong geophysical readings. Together, these zones may form one connected copper-gold system similar to the nearby discoveries that made this district famous. This is the Vicuña Belt, home to Filo del Sol, NGEx Minerals Lunahuasi project, and the Los Helados deposit. In this part of South America, when companies drill on trend with those kinds of deposits, it only takes one hit hole to get noticed. Zooming out, copper's bigger story is heating up. Demand is climbing from electric vehicles, new power grids, and the explosion of artificial intelligence data centers. Bloomberg, NEF, and Red Cloud Securities both project copper shortages starting around 2028 and running through 2030. Even BHP and ABB have warned that data center construction is tightening the supply chain faster than expected. So any new discovery right now gets extra attention from investors. So here's the takeaway. Mogotes has strong neighbors, clear targets, fresh capital, and drills about to turn. If those early holes hit copper, gold, or silver mineralization, it could quickly move from potential to proof. Until next time, remember there is more that binds us than breaks us. Peace out.